Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well. So in today's tutorial we will learn how to create this classy poster in Photoshop for any of your client or any one of your brand. See, there are a lot of layers and we will start from the scratch. So I am deleting this group. Now first, here is our brand logo and here is our brand product. So first we will create brand product name. So we're dragging the logo on our document and transform by pressing Ctrl T. Now I am typing watch and change the color to black. I am using font SF Pro Display, that is almost used in all Apple products. Increasing the font size to match the logo height. Now I am just selecting both layers and convert into smart object. Transform the layer and select Ctrl A, select all the document and select align, center align. Now here is our brand logo. Now typing the new, that is new product, change the color to orange and change the font style to regular. Also decrease the font size. Select all the document and align center. I am decreasing the font size to 12. 12 is looking good, right? Now I am just duplicate the new text layer and here is our product model. Change the color to dark red and Ctrl A, select all the document and align center. Now this is our brand product name. Here is our brand product photo. I am dragging the brand product photo and transform the size. Now I am just creating the solid color background of this color to match the product background. I am just dragging below the image, product image, so we can add little more text here. I am adding the feature of our product from $399. Select all the text and align center. Select only from $399 and reduce the text to 8 point. Now select all the document and align center. Just transform the layer and little bit larger. Fine. Now just duplicate the layer, and here is one of the feature, over 50% more screen area than series 3, and align left. Now we have to create the button, so I am selecting the rectangle tool, and here is our properties. Border radius of rectangle should be around 10 to 15 pixel. Yes, this is looking good. And here is our text, or you can also call CTA button action, click through action. You can also change the color of button, something like blue, and no stroke. Now this is our button. Now we have to create the shadows of our product. I am creating new transparent layer. Pick the brush tool and make sure your foreground color is black, and just draw a circle and transform it into like this shape, ellipse shapes. Go to filter, blur, and Gaussian blur. Around 30 is good. Now again go to filter, blur, and motion blur. Make sure angle is 0 and distance should be 450. Press Ctrl T to transform the shadow and decrease the opacity. I think 40 is enough, right? Now duplicate the layer and place over the second object. Now our poster is ready. This is the final look. This is looking the more classy like all the Apple products. So hope you will enjoy the today's tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, hit the like button, and if you have any query, so comment down below. Thank you. Stay home, stay healthy.